Welcome to Florida Man Investing. I'm Phil. Going to check out the markets, look at Bitcoin, some cryptos, check out a couple stories, and look at an NFT. All right, we're going to start with looking at the stock market today. It looks like we did finish in the red. We had the S&P 500 down almost a full percent, Dow Jones about a half percent, Nasdaq about close to 2%, all in the red. Looking at stock Snapchat, oh snap, it went down to about $9, down like 39% today, um, for the fact that they're not getting as much income off the advertisement that they used to. So really affected their share price here today, and that just kind of put a little more fear in the markets across the board. All right, we switch over and take a look at Bitcoin. We did finally break out of that descending level of resistance that we were showing you, and like I said, every time we'd butt up against it, we'd make another leg down. We did finally break off of that, but we're still bouncing down off this channel. So we're still kind of in this channel here, just kind of watching it. We still might come back down to bounce off the bottom of this channel, but as of right now, we're staying in this channel. I mean, we're trying to float up across the top of it. So every time we bounce across the top, um, we might get enough momentum to finally break through that level of resistance. And looking at Polygon, Matic, we had a couple of those cup and handle formations, and then we shot up right around the news that came out that they were working with Disney. So, but it looks like we're trying to find support around that 80 cent range. So it's another one we like to watch. So keep an eye on Matic. All right, gonna switch over and talk about some stories real quick. All right, Tesla has dumped 75% of their Bitcoin. I know you probably heard about this already, and I'm not here to beat a dead horse. Just kind of give you a little our take on it here. It's not uncommon to move funds around during times of recession. You got the supply chains are still jammed up, as kind of the reasons why Elon told us he sold off. You know, the question is he good for our space for Bitcoin? We were just thinking that when you see big companies buy Bitcoin, and it gives newcomers confidence that they would like to buy it. I mean, you don't want to buy something that's just kind of speculative. When you start seeing big companies and known people buy and hold it, it kind of gives them a little bit of comfort to get into the markets. But once they get in, they start reading and learning about Bitcoin on their own, and it doesn't matter. You don't really need them anymore. So, in all honesty. All right, former Coinbase manager faces insider trading charges. Um, this is something they talk about. They want to regulate. This is something that it's not good. We don't like to hear about. And this is kind of the reason why regulation could be good, to kind of get this kind of stuff out of it. It's just we wish that they would, you know, just kind of use that in many other parts of the markets. We do feel there's some insider trading going on in other places. But the SEC did say that that Coinbase did have securities. These tokens that we're showing you right here, they did say that are securities, and then Coinbase did fire back and say that they did not have any securities on their exchange. So it's just kind of a little back and forth right there. All right, so switching over to talk about some NFTs. We're just looking at the top 12 right here in the volume, we do have Hungry Cows at number 1, Clay Nation at number 2. This was kind of surprising, the Ada handles. So that has moved up to number 3. That's a lot of people are buying the Ada handles right now. That's interesting. All right, so during the bear market, kind of what to look for NFTs. You know, there's a lot of money grabs, not a lot of value that can be coming out. So you kind of gotta be careful on what you get. We do have, you know, projects that put out seasons 2 with nothing really backing them, and so always just kind of look into the project, check out the community. At this point, you kind of want to look at it as you're buying into a club, to be a part of a community, not necessarily to flip on the price as like in the bull market you could just buy any NFT and turn around and sell it and make hundreds of dollars. Well, right now you just kind of got to look at you're buying into a club. And so we do have on the calendar, we do have a season 2 for Adawaifus. They are doing a season 2, and their whole thing is they're going to be creating a anime um, base where they're going to be doing. All right, so yeah, their vision is new communities are emerging around the NFTs, and we are introducing a bold new platform called Anime Sector for anime fans with integrated NFT functionality. There will be an anime chat and anime related info page. So that's kind of where they're headed. So check out this project if you're kind of into anime. I know they did have an Instagram. They were actually working on making their own little manga. Check that out. All right, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.